Welcome to the Quick Desk. In this tutorial, we'll install Redmine using Docker and we'll also configure Google OAuth on it for the centralized logging. So the simple architecture would be, I will have a Redmine EC2. So consider it as Redmine, and we already have the Google account on which we have some user base something, and we call it as Google. And for the integration, we'll use the OAuth. Let's get started. I have launched an EC2 instance already. If you don't know how to launch an EC2 instance, you can refer to the I button. The prerequisite of this one, we need the Docker and Docker Compose as well. Let me go to this, and if I do Docker PS, you can see the Docker installed, the Docker Compose is already there. Okay. Now the compose file, I already have the compose file with me. I will share the same in the description as well. So the quick brief of this one, I'm using Redmine 6.1.0 with the Alpine as the base image, and I have opened the port 80 on my Linux server as well. You have to open this port. I mean, you can put any port. Make sure to have it a secure port. I'm doing it for testing purpose only. And here's the Redmine environment, the DB, the DB port, the password. I'm just keeping it for testing. And you can see I have mounted two volumes as well. One is for plugins, one is for Redmine files. So this is for making the persistent volumes for the files inside my container. And this is the DB. I'm using the Postgres image for now. There's 16 with the Alpine base image. So let's save it, and Docker Compose up -D for the test mode. Okay, I can see my Redmine and Postgres containers are up. Let me check the logs as well. Okay, the Redmine server is up. Don't see. Let's try to access the port. Now my basic Redmine is running. I have to click on sign in. For the login and password, just use the admin and admin. It is by default. Now put the admin here, and I'm putting again the hard password, admin1234, admin@1234. Okay, I'm able to log in here. Let me go to my account. Let me go to the administration, and here I can see the users. This is the only user we have. Now the thing is, even do we have the IP, we need a DNS. We just need a domain to be pointed on this IP, and after that we can put a domain in the OAuth for the Google. Without that, we will not be able to create any credential in our Google OAuth. It can be a load balancer for testing. I'm not creating a load balancer. I do have a domain name already with me. I will use that. Let me go to my Cloudflare account. This is my Cloudflare account. I have this domain. Let me create a DNS in this. It is saved now. If I head back and try this one, not this, app.stream. I'm able to log in again. You can sign in. Let me close this one. Redmine. Oh, I have changed the password. Sorry. Administration. You can go to users. You can see there's not any user. Now go to the Google account. I have the account here, and you have to go to the Google Cloud Console. You can click on it. I have created a project already. You can just click on new project and put any name. I can put Redmine PUC, create notification, select project. You can also select from here as well. Go to navigation, API and services, credentials. Click on create credential, auth client ID. Before that, you need to configure consent screen. Get started. App name Redmine PUC or Redmine app. Support email. I'm putting this one. Next. Audience will be external for now. Next. Contact. On this one, application type, web application, Redmine app. Scroll down. Here you need to put the redirect URI. This is very important. I'm just going here. It should be your Redmine app domain, followed with the OAuth to callback. This is very important to put here. Otherwise, you will not be able to log in. Click on create. Here, I can see my client ID and client secret. I'm just copying it for now. Now on the Redmine app, we have to install the plugin for supporting the OAuth. For now, I'm using the plugin by Contron. It is a highly recommended plugin for now, and I found it very useful. I'm using this one. We'll provide the link of all these in the description and also the command. Just go to the Redmine terminal again. Here, we need to install the Git, as I didn't install, I think. Okay, it is already installed. Here, just go to the plugins directory. This directory is created by the compose.yaml. I can show you again. Compose.yaml. If you see, this is the plugins directory. So go to plugins. Clone, paste. Now we need to compile our plugin by going inside the Redmine container. So run docker exec f1it Redmine and asset. Here inside the plugins. Before doing anything, I need to install some developer tools, so you can say the dependencies that are necessary. If I do the bundle install without that, the installation will fail. These 5 packages. Now put bundle install. Okay, the Redmine is working again. Just go to administration again. Go to plugins. On the plugins, click on configure. In the provider, choose Google. Scroll down the client ID. I have copied the client ID here. Find secret. For your case, do not share these credentials with anyone. Obviously, I will discard them after the recording. So the self-registration, you can put it disabled. Right now I'm putting on it automatic. Account activation. Now go down and just apply. That's it. Let me copy it. So I'm trying it on my Google account. Copy, paste, sign in, continue with Google, choose this account, continue. Okay, now see, my account is activated. I'm able to log in. I can just save it, go to projects or anything, my page, everything is working fine. Now if I go to the admin console, this was my admin console, go to users, you can see the T console is now here. So that was all. Thank you.